What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing the new jersey away from a soccer team, Manchester City, from Puma. And this is the away, the 2020 season uniform. It has a really different look, style and feel. It's wonderful, it fits well into the body, don't collect smells in the case that you sweat, for example. It has this nice blue and dark colors into this. This is the authenticator symbol. It's amazing metal stylish logo and stamp. It's the sponsor, the Puma, and the team logo. It's a slim uniform. Dry cell, that is the Puma technology. It's dark into the back. There are some details into the sides, as you can see. Another sponsor and the Puma logo. Let me show the other side, and now I'm gonna be using it so you can see how it fits on the body. I'm using the large one. In my country it's called G, and it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and our YouTube channel for more unboxing videos. And I see you later. All the best!